Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, just wanted to show you a piece of gear that I actually never share on my YouTube channel. And it is about this pouch from Sneagle, which is actually my tracking pouch, let's say, which contains all the basic tools when I'm leading more than a 2 days course. So it's intended to be a valuable aid to contain some stuff related to my instructor job, um, which could be helpful to have at easy reach. So let's take a look inside. So as you can see, it's a pretty big pouch, very sturdy, full of zip and lot of rooms. I still actually have to implement it. If we take a look inside, we can see that it's got some rings. So I got my magnifying lens, some of my rulers, pencil with some centimeter scale. I printed some databases. This one is from the FBI. I found it easily on the web. Then I print for my student to show them easily. Table of the most popular show pattern books that I created so far, and you can easily find on my website at thewayoftracking.com on the page MANTRACKING sources. That I got from a good friend and great tracker Matthew Dermody, Track Sporology Report, one of the best that I ever seen, so I decided to print it to show my student. And this great photograph, very explicative, is taken from my instructor and good friend Rob Speeden book on tracking awareness, which is all about pressure release. So I'm very pleased to give a shout with these two trackers because they really mention it. Then from Libreria Militare, so military bookstore that I'm collaborating with, they gave me this very nice made of plastic, transparent ruler in centimeter. So it's basically something that I can also just remove from the pouch and put it singularly in my backpack. My track cards, these were in Italian, printed by Backpacko. Some of my business cards and a small notebook, waterproof from Writing the Rain. I got a tons of them, really like, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. And by supporting the British Legion, I got this bracelet so I can easily wrap it on my wrist, but I can use it also as a measuring device. It's got centimeters and inches, so it's a great aid.